Exploring the craft, understanding, working in the round. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in various contexts. Working in the round. Whether you're a knitter, a performer, or simply love learning English, understanding this phrase can add a unique layer to your vocabulary. Let's unravel its meaning together. At its core, working in the round refers to creating something in a circular or continuous loop, without a definitive beginning or end. This technique is prevalent in several fields, each with its unique application. In crafts, such as knitting or crocheting, working in the round allows the creation of seamless items like hats, socks, or sweaters. Unlike flat knitting, where pieces are sewn together, this method produces a continuous, spiral pattern. In performing arts, the phrase takes on a different shade. Here, it describes a staging method where the audience surrounds the performance area, offering a more immersive and interactive experience. This setup breaks the traditional fourth wall and engages viewers from all angles. Why is this method so cherished across different disciplines? Working in the round fosters a sense of unity and continuity. In crafting, it results in smoother and more cohesive products. In the performing arts, it creates a more intimate and engaging atmosphere for the audience. Moreover, this approach emphasizes the skill and creativity of the creator or performer. It requires mastery and a deep understanding of the craft, whether you're manipulating yarn or captivating an audience from every direction. For those interested in applying this concept, here are some tips. In crafting, start with simple projects like coasters or hats to get comfortable with the technique. Pay attention to your tension and the way your material behaves in the round. In performing arts, consider the unique challenges of engaging an audience 360 degrees. Practice projecting your voice and actions in all directions and think about how to make every angle a good one for viewing. Working in the round is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of creativity, continuity, and community across various forms of art and expression. Whether you're threading a needle or stepping onto a stage, this concept offers a window into new dimensions of craftsmanship and performance. We hope this exploration has illuminated the circular paths of creativity for you. Happy crafting and performing in the round!